Hello again, here we go. This is the continuation of the shampoo ball. As you can see now, I already tapped into the hot water, the cold water, and there's a drainage. Okay, so I just use shark bite fittings. So this is a half by half by half T with 45-degree angle couplers, and here's the back of the shampoo ball. So I connected two valves. Same thing. It's going to be shark bite, slip on fittings. All right. So I already cut so I have to cut the water. Make sure you cut the water for that to put the fittings, and then turn it back on. Make sure it's not leaking. And then, so I think we're ready to put the shampoo ball on top and connect put the sink on top, and then make all the connections. I already got the P-trap down here. All right, so I'll show you later on after I connect the sink and all the hoses and have it ready. All right, so I'll be back in a little bit.